Welcome to the Duda Experts Education Series, brought to you by the Duda Solutions partners here at Fix8 Media. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Countdown widget. First, make sure that you're logged into your website and in the edit mode. Next, move over to the widget section and search for Countdown. Next, drag and drop that widget where you wish for it to live on your page or row. And when open, you can of course see your content and design options. On the content side, you're going to select the date range and time for the timer. So if I were to say choose June 25th at 2 a.m., this is going to be where the countdown rolls to. I can also dictate the time zone. I can put a time's up message. I can choose how to display the message when it reaches 0, or remove those and simply put the message. And we can of course display a title as well as hide the title. Moving over to the design options, first up we have our layout choices. Clicking here will expose 4 different choices as far as the design and layout. Next, moving into the style, we can of course control the size of the widget, the space between the items in the widget, the counter background color, whether or not you wish to have rounded corners or anywhere in between, whether or not you'd like a shadow, and we can control whether the shadow is on the inner or outer area, the shadow color, as well as the positioning. We can choose to display dividers, the 2 vertical dots like a colon, or not. And we can choose the color of the dividers. Next up, we have our text settings. So we can control the typography, color, and format of the numbers, the labels, as well as the unique times up message. Our frame style is going to allow us to control the background color of the widget. We can of course animate the widget. And then, as usual, we have our spacing options for the widget. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks from the Fix8 Duda experts.